Well, we have another new product for you we want to discuss. It's the clutch kit for combines. And kind of give you a basic premise of what we're looking at in this product is on your unloading auger on your combines, there's always some high torque or high stress areas which sometimes cause abnormal wear or maybe stripping of gears. And kind of just give you an idea of what we're talking about. This is what you're going to find on the Deere combines is you'll have your spindle, which has the spline shafts on it, and you'll start getting where it starts to wear, starts to strip this out, as well even as the bevel gear that's on there. What you've got is a lot of torque in that area from having that unloading auger full grain. So when you initially turn it on, you get all that torque and a lot of weight trying to push that corn out to the auger cart or wagon, truck, whatever, what have you. So we worked with Lankota to basically come up with a kit that takes the place of having to have that grain in the auger or in your vertical unload just to take all that stress off of it. So we're going to walk through this kit and give you a basic idea of what we're talking about here. And we'll first start off with the two sprockets. And then your two clutches. So you've actually got clutches that are going to be engaging and disengaging your grain tank augers. So that's all we're doing is we're just shutting them off and turning them back on for whenever you need to stop unloading or want to start again by loading the auger cart back up. You'll end up taking your old sprockets off and putting these on. So these are actually going to mount right on top of the clutches. You'll be able to see that on the clutch itself by seeing the screw holes to mount those clutches. I'm just going to lift one of these up, and you can see that they're also labeled as front clutch and rear clutch. And what we also have in the kit is a little adapter. You can kind of see it's open on one side and it's just got a little hole on the other. This is actually going to slide on those shafts for those unloading augers in the grain tank. So it's going to slide on, you're just going to tighten it down to hold it in place. And they also give you the hardware or even the drill bit to actually drill in here to actually set that hole and then a tap to actually tap it so you can thread it in place. Because what's going to happen is when you go to put those on, you're going to end up threading through here to hold the clutch onto that shaft. They also do provide some little shims. You will want to use those because this will help get these two sprockets lined up so we don't have any abnormal wear on the chain. They also do provide two new two keys in here as well. We want to make sure we use those because we have done a little bit of testing ourselves or installed, and what we found is that it's best to use the keys that they provide because the original ones sometimes we have a little bit tougher time with fit. So it's just a little bit of a tech tip there for you. Now on the other side of the table we've actually got all the wiring, which you're going to see your harnesses that are either adapting into the clutches or going up into the cab. Got a little foot switch here. And you got a little power relay that also will mount down underneath that gull wing. Then we got a little bracket here as well. And just kind of give you an overview of how this system works is when you're in the cab of your combine and say the auger cart's about ready to fill up, you can tap that foot switch and that'll disengage those augers to where your unloading auger can clear out. And then say another one comes up, you can start filling again. You just tap it one more time, it'll re-engage those grain tank augers to start filling your unloading auger as well. Kind of a basic overview of the kit that you'll receive. These are available for a multitude of Deere combines and as well as some Case IH combines. If you have any other questions on this, you can call us at 800-934-9777 or check it out on sloanex.com.